Hello dear students, I welcome you all and congratulate you being enrolled in this certificate course of vermicomposting. Department of Zoology is organizing this certificate course in vermicompost and Dr. Zeenat Kashmiri is course coordinator. I congratulate madam. This course begins today on 8th May and approximately 40 students were participated in this course. Since last 8 years, we have practicing the vermicompost at our institute, Dada Ramchand Bakru Sindhu Mahavidyalaya, Panchpauli, Nagpur. Vermicompost basically a traditional technique to rearing of earthworm, and that is categorizing into two categories or methods. One is bin method or pit method and another is a windrow method. These two methods depends on the availability of the space. When we have ample space like field, then we go for the windrow method. But basically there is a constraint of space, limitation of space. So we normally opt for the second method, which is bin or pit method. So at our institute, we have a small pit in our garden. We can keep all the degradable waste material which coming out of our garden dump there, and the earthworms known as Eisena foetida, this is a species which we are using. This Eisena foetida and cow dung and soil we mix all properly and rear it for the 3 months for getting better yield of the compost as well as vermiwash. So basically vermicomposting is a technique by which we can yield a more amount of manure that is nutritious to the vegetable and garden plants as well as field, as well as we yield vermiwash, which is a liquid material coming out of the pit, and that is again nutritive, or that increase the level of gibberellin and auxin, the growth hormones for the plant. So these two important yields of the vermicompost, and there is a major concern of the vermicompost is recycling of the biodegradable waste product. So with this particular method we can help the environment, because the kitchen waste or the vegetable waste or the garden waste in our houses, that we should recycle with this particular method. So basically motto behind this certificate course or behind this technique is the enhancement of the skill in this particular method, because we all students of the BSc part 1 already had been this topic in our regular syllabus. So little bit information about the worms which belonging to the phylum Annelida and class Oligochaeta and its biology, as well as the methods of the vermicomposting like bin and windrow method. So with this particular certificate course, practically we can approach how the pit should be developed, why the cow dung is used, and how much soil we are using, and why there is a specific technique of the harvesting of the earthworms with the pit or the different method of the bin method. So all these modules you find in this certificate course of 4 weeks, near about 28 days. There are the 4 different units which deals with the morphology of the earthworm, different system normally found in the earthworm, because earthworm is a hermaphrodite animal. The more important system is digestive as well as reproductive system. So basically we directly concerned with the excreta, because that excreta of the earthworm we are using as a manure for the specific purpose or nutritive material for the plant. So how that excreta is nutritious to the plant, and the reproductive system, because the earthworm is a hermaphrodite animal and the life cycle is specifically completed below the soil in the moist places, so that we can rear the earthworm properly in the pit or bin that we have formed in our small space. So all this is normally you found in this certificate course of the 4 different units. It lasts about 28 days. After completion of your certificate course, there will be a exam on this 4 unit and you will get the certificate. So dear student, with this we will again meet with some presentation or some topic on this platform. So I again welcome you all in this certificate course of vermicomposting, and all the best for the future. Thank you.